BMW has minimized its water usage per vehicle manufactured. The BMW company name is derived from Bayerische Motorenwerke, which translates to Bavarian Motor Works. The colors of the BMW logo, blue and white, originate from the Bavarian flag. The BMW logo's white and blue colors reference the Bavarian flag, the flag of the German state of Bavaria, where the company is based, although the colors are inverted since using state symbols in corporate logos was illegal at the time. The new BMW logo symbolizes future mobility. BMW's M-Series designation originates from motorsport, initially established as a subsidiary to support the company's motorsports endeavors. Munich's BMW headquarters showcases a design concept that replicates the visual aesthetic of a four-cylinder engine. BMW continues to design and power aircraft to this day. The origins of BMW were grounded in aircraft engine manufacturing, specifically producing engines for propeller-driven aircraft during World War I. The Treaty of Versailles' prohibition on aircraft engine production in Germany after World War I led BMW to rebrand as Bayerische Motorenwerke in 1922 and expand into motorcycle and automobile manufacturing. BMW's early accomplishments were fueled by its production of the BMW AA engine, recognized for its exceptional reliability and efficiency at elevated altitudes. Following World War II, BMW introduced its inaugural automobile, the BMW 501, in 1951. After the war, BMW's facilities in West Germany were restricted from producing motor vehicles or aircraft, prompting the manufacture of other products, including bicycles and cookware, to ensure survival. BMW's storied racing legacy, which began in the 1920s, encompasses participation in a wide range of prominent competitions. BMW has a distinguished legacy of achieving excellence across multiple motorsport categories, encompassing motorcycle racing, Formula One, and rally racing. BMW's motorcycle racing prowess was evident before World War II, as it captured the German Road Championship every year from 1924 to 1929. BMW is committed to reducing its environmental impact through the production of 10 million fully electric vehicles over the next 10 years. By 2050, BMW plans to be climate neutral, participating in the UN's Race to Zero program and the Science-Based Targets initiative. BMW advances circular economy principles by promoting material recycling and reuse, leveraging recycled fishing nets for select vehicle components, such as headliners and floor mats. BMW carefully assesses and manages the extraction and use of raw materials, identifying high-risk materials, and implementing preventive measures. BMW has minimized its water usage per vehicle manufactured. BMW has had a positive impact on the economy, environment, and community through its contributions. BMW has invested over $40 million in community development programs, fostering civic engagement, cultural enrichment, and educational advancement in regions where its workforce lives and operates, while also sponsoring the BMW Charity Pro-Am Golf Tournament to support local charitable causes. BMW supports diversity and inclusion with initiatives like BMW Group Diversity Day and community outreach programs to create an inclusive environment and promote equal opportunities. BMW provides a company healthcare service which encompasses preventive care, stress management, nutritional guidance, and health training. BMW allocates resources to research and development initiatives focused on enhancing electrification and digitalization across its vehicle lineup, alongside advancements in autonomous driving technologies,